Square root of x plus x minus 7 under square root equals to 7. We have to find the value of x. Let's solve it. If we subtract square root of x to both the sides, then this square root of x gets cancelled. Now we have x minus 7 under square root equals to 7 minus square root of x. To remove the square root, let's square both the sides. X minus 7 under square root whole square equals to 7 minus square root of x whole square. Now this square root gets removed with this square. So this is now x minus 7 equals to, now this is in the form of a minus b whole square, and this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as 7 square minus 2 times 7 times square root of x plus square root of x square, or x minus 7 equals to 7 square is 49, 7 times 2 is 14 times square root of x, plus we remove square root with this square, so it is x. Again this x and this x will get cancelled, both are positive. Now we have minus 7 equals to 49 minus 14 times square root of x. Let's subtract 49 to both the sides. So this 49 and 40 minus 49 will get cancelled. Minus 7 minus 49 equals to minus 56 equals to minus 14 times square root of x. Now let's divide both the side by minus 14. So minus minus gets cancelled. 14 times 1 is 14. 14 times 4 is 56. So this is 4 equals to square root of x. Now again we square both the sides to remove the square root. Therefore x equals to, square root gets removed with this square, x equals to 16. Let's verify this answer. When x equals to 16, 16 under square root plus 16 minus 7 under square root, this should be equal to 7. We have to check. Square root of 16 is 4 plus 16 minus 7 is 9 under square root. Again 4 plus square root of 9 is 3. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. LHS equals to RHS. Therefore our answer is x equals to 16. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.